Have you ever seen the annoying message that says your Deepseek server is busy? So in this video, I'm gonna show you several alternatives where you can access Deepseek with high and fast response, and for sure, completely for free. So now, let's get started. And the first website in this video, that is Perplexity.ai. For sure, we all know Perplexity, the godfather of many AI tools right now. Here, when you sign up for free, just head over to this little box, and here you can find this little menu. Click over it, and then you can scroll all the way to the bottom to this reasoning.r1 that refers Deepseek. So here you can ask anything you want, like you can get article about something, get some data information, and so on, for sure, with high and fast response from Deepseek. So you can try it for sure for free. And the next website quickly, that is openrouter.ai. Here you can find a wide range of AI models that you can use for free. Thus, here you can land on this amazing homepage and head over to this models section, where you can find a plethora of these AI models. That includes Qwen, Gemini, ChatGPT, Ion Labs, and so on. As for searching for Deepseek, here you can find this one. So you can click over it to run it for free. Click over this one, chat button, and then you can land on this interface that's similar to Deepseek in its official website. So here we can try it simply. You can insert here your message, like I get an article about how to save time. Type this prompt: my time while I am busy. Okay, and click over this button. And just in a few seconds here, you can find this quick response from Deepseek. Here you can find it prepared for you this answer. Just you can brainstorm some ideas and organize all these points that will be included in your article and this outline of your article. And here writes your one as you observe. You can find some approaches, and for sure you can insert here any question or any follow message, like proceed to write my article, anything else to follow up a message as you are in the Deepseek in its official website. So you can try this one on openrouter.ai. The third website quickly, that is huggingface.co. For sure, we all know Hugging Face contains a set of beautiful AI models for any purpose you like. Here, regarding searching for Deepseek, you can head over to Spaces section. Then here you can go to this box and type something like Deepseek. Therefore, you can find here a wide range of these AI models that represent Deepseek. So here you can find some of them down, and the others are running right now. So together we can try this one, Deepseek R1 Chat Assistant Web Search. Then we can ask any question like how to swim faster for beginners or something like that. Okay. And just in a few seconds, here would prepare for you this amazing answer for your question and your query. Quick and smooth response from Deepseek model on huggingface.co. A big and very detailed answer for this question. Awesome, isn't it? And you can find some improvement areas. It's like a whole article about this specific topic. Great. And now we can move on to the next website to access Deepseek for free. That is lmarena.ai. Basically, this website works as a comparison between different models in one place. For example, here, if you select this one, Arena Battle, you can compare between two different models plainly. Then you can decide which one is better, or both bad, or both are great, and so on. So here, if you try this one, you can answer here your question as you like. Then you can find two different results from two different models. They could be ChatGPT, Llama, Gemini, Deepseek, Qwen, and so on. Thus, you can make a decision of which is better from them. or you can head over to the section Arena side by side. Here you can select from these different tables your model you want to run. Here you can select this, for example, ChatGPT, the latest model, as you see. And the next one, you can select Deepseek in its model. You can find different AI models like Llama, Gemini, Qwen, as you see, Grok, Amazon, Mistral. And here you can find this one we are searching for, Deepseek R1. Then here you can insert your prompt as usual, like write an article on how to lose bad friends. Okay, as for toxic friendship and so on. Therefore, you can click over this button, and here you can find these both models would run to give you an answer for this your question. As you see, perfect introductions from both models, and walking through different headings, subheadings, paragraphs, bullet points. Perfect. From the ChatGPT and from Deepseek model. Amazing, two different results from two different models for the single query. And for sure you can make the best of this amazing website further. You can make it as another copy to publish your articles on different websites at the same time. Anyway, here you can just estimate which better from these results, which is readable more, and so on. That contains bullet points, plenty of paragraphs, ideas, topics, and so on. Then you can choose either the A is better, that refers to ChatGPT, or B is for Deepseek, or tie both are good for you or both are bad. So for sure in my case I can select this one is about for sure Deepseek is more readable, bullet points here, but as for ChatGPT's one is a bit longer here, that gives me more coverage of different points, as you see. All in all, you can get access to Deepseek using lmarena.ai. For sure, you can click over this button, regenerate, to regenerate new copies of these articles. And here we can head over to the next method to get access to Deepseek. That's by going through replicate.com. Here you can find many of these AI models. Here you can sign up using GitHub. And for sure, you can find some of them are free and the others are paid. So here you can search for Deepseek and try it for free. And the last tools you can, based on downloading a big, huge AI model software to your device. And the first one is Pinocchio.computer. Here you can download this amazing software that contains huge amounts of AI models. Many of these amazing AI models and websites that you can use completely for free in your PC. Heads up, here you've got to have your PC that has great requirements for run these AI models smoothly in your device. So here you can download Pinocchio and search for your Deepseek, then you can run it for free in your PC. The second way, that is lmstudio.ai. You can download on your computer, then you can run any of these AI models for free in your PC, like for Llama, Mistral, Gamma, Deepseek, Qwen, and so on. And for sure, completely for free. So here in this video, you got to know different platforms to access Deepseek for free with fast response and completely for free. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.